So up until this point, whenever we'd see two actions in one ayah, the new action marked the start of a what? New
sentence.
New sentence, right? New action meant new sentence. So something like this. يَتَمَتَّعُونَ وَيَأْكُلُونَ. Normally we'd see either a waw between the two actions, or we'd see one of these markings, a sad or a qaf or a jim, right?
Mm-hmm.
That tells us we're starting a new sentence.
Right.
So in this chapter, what we're going to be looking at is actually 3 cases in which you can have 2 actions in one sentence, meaning the new action doesn't mark the start of a new sentence.
Okay.
So I'll show you the 3 cases in English, and then throughout the chapter we'll be studying these same cases in Arabic.
All right.
Okay, so the first scenario in which you can have 2 actions in the same sentence is was doing or used to happen template. Right, so I was eating chips, or I used to eat chips.
So the 2 actions would be was and eating.
Yeah, or
Okay.
used to and eat.
Okay.
Right, so these are 2 actions happening back to back, but you can't really separate them. Right, you can't. It's not like each action is its own sentence.
Right.
So
because because we said an action has to have always has to have a doer, but they're kind of sharing the doer in this case. So it's not like each action has a separate doer. So they're not 2 separate thoughts. They're still forming one thought.
Yeah, right. If you separate them, the meaning changes,
Right.
basically. Okay. Second case is almost happened, right? So almost in Arabic is actually an action. We'll see when we get there.
Oh.
And then the action coming directly after it is its accompanying action. So he almost fell off the ladder. Almost would be action number 1, and fell would be action number 2.
Okay.
Okay, that's scenario number 2. And scenario number 3 is state of being. Technical term for that is an adverb,
Okay.
right? And that's where your second action just describes the state in which the first action happened. So he came running. What was his state when he came? His state was
That he was running.
right? So these 3 scenarios are scenarios in which you can have 2 actions in a single sentence, and that's what we'll be doing in Arabic.
All right. Sounds good.